Breaking news from EICMA 2022. Yamaha has unveiled its 2023 Tracer 9 GT Plus, bringing revolutionary technology to the world of touring motorcycles. At this year's EICMA Motorcycle Show, Yamaha showcased the updated Tracer 9 GT Plus, introducing an industry-first feature, the Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC. This groundbreaking technology allows riders to select from preset distances while the system maintains the bike's speed. The ACC also assists in cornering, adjusting acceleration when navigating bends, and maintaining distance from vehicles ahead. What's remarkable, the system intelligently accelerates for safe overtaking when it senses a vehicle ahead. Yamaha further amazes with the unified braking system, a pioneering feature in the industry. This system combines data from the IMU and radar to enhance control during braking. This innovation can detect collision